Well, we got the K-frame pulled. Well, no strut, no suspension. We just gotta pop the axle out. And then I've already got those bolts loose. Sorry, I'm going too fast for my phone. There's a little Kia. Got a little turbo on the backside there. I made the fuel lines. And I removed the entire mount from the engine and transmission. Put a stock number on it and put that in the car itself. Got the struts removed. Real easy little motor. Take care of. Turbos right there. It's 2011, I think. Let's see. I just cut the heater core lines, but those are the fuel lines. And I try not to cut anything really, but heater core lines are okay. This mount is funky. It just goes. Looks good. Piece of cast iron, though. It's just the way you can pop this out. And you got two bolts right there. Straight to it. So you can't really. There's the K-frame and everything drops easy. It's just a nut right there on that stud. Two bolts back there. Steering column. Your suspension, of course. That's it. I chained the motor up. That way when I remove everything, it's sitting on a wheel. I'll raise the body up. He'll come get it with a forklift. Y'all have a good Friday and good weekend. Take care.